In this video, we are going to see the expression for pressure volume type of work against a constant pressure. To derive the expression, let us first draw the diagram. Here, I have considered whatever you are drawing, whatever the terms you will be using to express or show the diagram, you have to write everything in the written part. So here, I have taken a certain mole, say N, of the gas which is enclosed in the cylinder. The cylinder has a cross-sectional area A and it is attached to a piston which is tight, rigid and it is weightless, frictionless piston. Now, if the pressure which is acting here, if it is P external which is acting onto the gas, then if I say the V1 is the initial volume, V2 is the final volume, and here if I say that the gas is getting expanded, I will show this as the initial position of the piston. So let us write first, consider a certain mole of a gas enclosed in a cylinder at constant pressure P, temperature T, and the initial volume is V1. Second is the cylinder is fitted or attached to a piston which is tightly fitted, weightless, frictionless piston. Terms, they are very important. Now, the third and very important, if the external pressure is decreased. Now, if the external pressure is decreased, what will happen? The gas inside, it will expand. So, when the pressure decreases, the gas inside expands. Now, when it expands, what will happen? The piston will move up. That is, the volume will change from V1 to V2. Means that when the gas will expand, the pressure inside is now opposing the pressure which is applied onto the gas. So, what will be the work here? So, the work done is equal to force which is applied into the distance or the displacement. Very important to note here, as the force which is here the pressure is against the applied pressure. So, I will use the sign convention as negative. Means W is equal to minus force into displacement. As you know, pressure is force per unit area. Therefore, force is equal to pressure into area. So, I will substitute this in place of this. What I will get? W is equal to minus P, I will call this as external, which is acting onto the gas, into A into D. What is A into D? That is, area into displacement is equal to change in volume. How you denote change in volume? Is delta V. So, I can write A into D as delta V. So, what I will get in place of that? Let us see. So, I can change this expression. W is equal to minus P external delta V. So, this is the expression for work done against a constant pressure. If you want to show that the gas is getting compressed, then in that case, the sign will become positive. What is delta V is equal to V2 minus V1. Therefore, W is equal to minus P external V2 minus V1. Now, let us see the conditions. The first condition is, if I say V2 is greater than V1, means what? Delta V, if is this positive, if this is positive, means the product will be negative and work will be negative. Means what? W will be negative. Means it is the work due to expansion. So, who is doing the work? This work is done by the system on the surrounding. Right, students? Let us see the second condition. If V1 is greater than V2, means your delta V is negative. If delta V is negative, the product will come out to be positive. If the product is positive, means the work will be positive. Means it is work due to compression. So here the work is done by the surrounding on the system. Let us see the third condition. Under third condition, when I say V2 is equal to V1 or V1 is equal to V2, means there is no change in the volume, then delta V is equal to 0, work is equal to 0, means there is no work, means the system is at equilibrium. See the second condition under this, if the particular process is carried out under vacuum. What is the meaning of vacuum, student? That the pressure is constant, that is 0. If pressure is 0, means the whole product is 0, therefore W is equal to 0. Such type of condition where no work is done, when the work is carried out in vacuum or the pressure is constant, so we call this type of the expansion as the free expansion of the gas. So no work is seen when there is free expansion of the gas. So just recall the three conditions. W, that is work will be because of expansion. If W is negative, means V2 is greater than V1. Work will be because of compression. When delta V will be negative, means what? V1 is greater than V2. And under two conditions where there is no change in the volume or no change in the pressure, then no work is obtained. When the work is obtained under constant pressure, we call that as the free expansion of the gas, or the work done in vacuum where the work is 0. That is, no work is obtained when there is free expansion of the gas. This is all about the derivation and the sign conventions for work done under constant pressure. Thank you, students.